Dealing with dry, dehydrated skin? Don't you worry, the Chosen Store has a wide range of products for that. And with that, I welcome you back to the Chosen Store's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about some of the best products that will help you combat skin dryness and dullness. So without further ado, let's begin with product 1. Product 1 is Sunscreen Monarch. Now sunscreen is the most important step for any skincare routine. And if you have dry skin, it becomes even more important since the harmful UV rays causes further damage, making your skin drier, stressed and unbalanced. Sunscreen Monarch is a broad spectrum mineral sunscreen with SPF 40+ and PA of 4+. It is deeply moisturizing in nature and it is water and sweat resistant for up to 6 hours, which is great for your skin. The next product is Optimus Water Body, which is an excellent standalone moisturizer for dry, dehydrated and sensitive skin. It provides hydration without occlusion and makes the skin calm and supple. Another great product for dry skin is Milk Root Daily. Milk Root Daily is a daily chemical exfoliator which consists of lactic acid, which is great for hydrating your skin, making it plumper. It is a safe and effective way to exfoliate your skin. Also, please avoid using any physical scrubs that can cause micro tear on the skin. Another great product for boosting skin hydration is the Tor Collagen Supplement. It is essential that we start taking in these collagen supplements from our late 20s or early 30s to reactivate collagen production in our body and to prevent any further breakdown of the same. Tor Classic and Tor Mighty consists of Peptan F, which is a research-grade fish collagen. This product is mercury-free, which makes it safe for daily consumption. The final product, which is great for boosting skin hydration, is Pycnogenol. You can either consume it orally through the white pine capsules or topically through the red oil serum. White pine capsules stimulate the natural production of hyaluronic acid in the skin, which then goes on to revive the collagen, which in turn lifts and tightens sagging skin and keeps the skin well hydrated. The extremely hydrating and nourishing red oil serum helps to reduce, reverse and recover the skin damages caused by daily exposure to sunlight and pollution. Do not forget to use a gentle cleanser before applying any of these products. Now, personally speaking, Pycnogenol is my pick for combating dry and dull skin. Do let me know yours. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Chosen Store's YouTube channel.